Hello everyone, welcome to Sports Rulers 3-Minute Snooze. Here's a quick update on what's happening in the world of sports. Former Australia cricketer and Chennai Super Kings batting coach Mike Hussey has said that he has never met anyone like the CSK skipper MS Dhoni. In a Chennai Super Kings Instagram live chat, the former Aussie southpaw spoke about Dhoni's calculative brain and his unbelievable power. Talking about the two captains he had played under, Dhoni and former Australia skipper Ricky Ponting, Hussey mentioned that it's tough for him to split as to who's the better, as they both are amazing leaders. Dashing India opening batsman Rohit Sharma feels the presence of senior Australia cricketers David Warner and Steve Smith will make the tour of Australia, which is set to be held later this year, a different ball game altogether. India registered a historic 2-1 triumph over Australia in the 2018-19 Test Series Down Under. Both Warner and Smith weren't part of the series as a result of the ban post the ball tampering scandal. 20-time Grand Slam champion Roger Federer believes that this is the right time for the men's and women's tennis governing bodies to merge while the entire tennis fraternity is under pressure because of the coronavirus. ATP chairman Andre Gaudenzi has backed Federer's idea and has said that tennis has a big opportunity if everyone can come together in the spirit of collaboration and unity. 19-time Grand Slam champion Rafael Nadal, reigning Wimbledon champion Simona Halep, and a few other superstars from the tennis fraternity have seconded Federer's words. India's top athletes who have been preparing for the Tokyo Olympics, which has been postponed, will remain in India until the end of 2020 owing to the COVID-19 pandemic, reported the Times of India. The report further stated that in a meeting between the top officials of the Indian Olympic Association and the representatives of the national sports federations through video conferencing, the authorities decided that the athletes should train in India once the lockdown is lifted, keeping in mind the health and safety of athletes and coaches. India table tennis coach Brett Clark has mentioned that if India hopes to be one of the top countries in the sport, then it needs to have its own training centers like the ones in Germany, Portugal and Denmark, reported The Hindu. In a teleconference, Clark spoke to the Sports Authority of India coaches and players on the topic of advancing Indian table tennis through coach education. The Association of Spanish Footballers has said that players from Spain's leading clubs have expressed concern about getting back to business as the coronavirus is still a threat and they're against La Liga's plans to hold closed training camps. That's all we have for the day. For more such videos, subscribe to Sports Ruler.